I'm Carl Erickson, Aircraft Conservator of the Owl's Head Transportation Museum. And right behind us is our 1917 Fokker triplane project. The wings, just this morning, outside that door are the wings are in a trailer, and they are going to be shipped to Syracuse to the front of the museum to do the fabric work. So that takes the load off of us, and we can continue on the fuselage. We have the engine, the brand new overhauled Warner engine for this airplane in a crate sitting here. So our next big deal is to do all the details, sandblast the fuselage, paint it, and continue on with that and get it on its landing gear. And then as soon as the wings come back, we're going to mate everything together, and it's going to be a pretty quick process at that point to get this thing running. We want to thank everyone for supporting this fundraising campaign last year. We're really moving along, and hopefully by the end of this season, we'll have this airplane in the air.